Tired of Pandabuy shipping costs eating into your haul budget? Let's shrink those expenses with these clever strategies. First, master consolidation. Once your items arrive at the warehouse, combine multiple purchases into a single package. This dramatically reduces the overall shipping weight and volume, saving you big bucks. Simply select the items you want to ship together and click Consolidate. Remember to remove unnecessary packaging from each item to minimize size. Next, choose your shipping method wisely. Experiment with different options like EMS, DHL, or sea freight depending on weight, speed, and destination. Compare prices and estimated delivery times, and don't be afraid to simulate shipping costs with different combinations. Always hunt for coupons and discounts. Check Pandabuy's promotion page, follow them on social media, and participate in community events for potential savings. Even a small coupon can make a difference. Finally, navigate customs smartly. Accurately declare the contents and value of your package to avoid delays and extra fees. Research your country's import regulations to minimize potential issues. With these tips, you'll be a Pandabuy shipping pro in no time, enjoying your hauls without breaking the bank. Happy shopping!